Hi, and welcome back. So today, we're in the Tesla on a rainy day, crappy rainy day, but we're going to do an interesting one. We're going to be redoing the drive. We're installing an SSD. The one I have is a Samsung T7 portable SSD. This one, I believe, is, yeah, 500 gig. So the reason that I want to put a larger one is, first of all, I want to use an SSD because I have a 2021 which came with the little USB key and it's failed. The recordings don't really. It says it records, but I can't play them back. There's nothing there. It's corrupted. It's definitely not working properly. So I'm going to replace it with this, which should be way more reliable. But also, I mean, everything eventually fails. But this, it'll have to do less rewrites because there's more space for it to write before it rewrites. So we're going to do this and get it installed. So the first thing I'm going to do is get it out of the box, open up the glove compartment, and install it. So, okay, so I've got it standing up. So this is sealed in here. So let me see how I'm going to undo the seal. I'm probably just going to tear the box because I don't care about saving this box. Oh, the tape is some strong tape. So the only thing that should be in here is the drive and a cable. Okay, there are multiple cables. Interesting. Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh, man. Does not want to come out of the packaging. There it goes. Yeah, this is really nice because being an SSD, it's very small and compact. Now, this particular one, again, it's the Samsung T7, has gotten a lot of good reviews for use in the Tesla, and it comes with a USB-C to USB-A because the drive itself is USB-C, and it also has a USB-C to USB-C, which I'm not going to use because in the glove compartment for my car, it's USB-A here is what I need. Now, when you install this in your car, if you have a 2021 or newer, you're going to want to put it in the glove compartment. If you have a 2020 or older, you'll put it in the center console where your USB ports are. The other thing is, before you go doing any of this, before you remove your old one, I mean, in my case, it's corrupt, so I don't care. But before you do any of that, you want to make sure that you turn Sentry mode off, so it's not trying to write to it or anything while you're changing it. So let's get the camera turned around, and I'll show you the install. Okay, so this isn't easy to see, but the old one is right here in the glove box, the Tesla one. I just removed it. So now I have the drive, which I'm going to, all right, let's get over here, place in, and I'm going to be installing it. Oh, now I don't see, oh, it goes upwards. That's weird, okay. All right, we're going to plug it in. There we go. So we've got it plugged in. We're all set there. The drive has lit up. So we're good to go. But we're not finished. We're going to go to the screen now and show you what needs to happen next. Okay, so now that we've got the drive installed, we're going to go into the controls, and we're going to go to safety, and we're going to do format the USB drive. And then I'm going to say format. Now, when you do this, if there's anything on the drive you have, mine is a brand new drive, so I'm not going to be erasing anything. I'm not worried about it. But if yours is not, be careful because this will erase everything on the drive. You could also manually format the drive as exFAT, but then there are folders you have to create, and I don't want to deal with that. So I'm just going to hit format, and it says formatting USB drive for Dashcam, and there you go. Now it's done. See? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the Dashcam to auto, and it will auto save up to 10 minutes of video when your vehicle detects the occurrence of an event. Manual, you can tap the icon, so I'm going to accept. So now my dash cam is back on, and Sentry mode I'm going to turn back on. So Sentry mode is back on, and I have it set to exclude home and exclude favorites. But there you go. So now we're all set, and I've switched it. So it's as easy as that. That's all there is to it. Again, the drive I got, based on recommendations from Googling, was the Samsung portable SSD T7. and it's 500 gigs. So yeah, that's what I did. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't yet, click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.